Okay, well, this morning, digital asset platform Bakkt making its debut as a public company officially here on the New York Stock Exchange. The company going public via a SPAC merger with VPC Impact Acquisition. We can take a look at shares of Bakkt, BKKT, that's the ticker, down about 4% today. But we did speak with the company's CEO, Gavin Michael, about why now was the right time to go public. Take a listen.
Coming live through a SPAC gave us certainty of the funding that we required. And we raised around 450 million of cash, which was well in excess of our minimum cash requirement. And we just found that it gave us more certainty over the funding objectives that we were trying to achieve by going public.
In terms of VPC Impact Acquisition Holdings, why was that kind of the right blank check company to partner with? And I guess what resources are they providing you to get to some of the growth that you are projecting over the next couple of years? I guess most notably that user number, I guess being tens of millions potentially in the next couple of years.
So VPC was a great partner for us. They've got a lot of experience in the fintech space. They've been able to provide us with great guidance and counsel as we've been going through this process, as we've been working with our extended set of stakeholders. Remember, what we are is a B2B2C platform. So when we talk about the way in which we acquire customers, our customer acquisition strategy is to work with great brands who have great customers, who are bringing those customers to our platform. And you've seen this in some of our recent announcements. Choice Hotels, for example, where we're allowing rewards points to be used inside our environment, but also our recent announcement with Finestra, where our platform is going to be incorporated into their ecosystem and made available to community banks and credit unions all across the country.
You just noted on this a second ago, your company on a mission, obviously, to connect the entire digital economy, crypto, rewards points, gift cards, digital cash, in order to enable greater access, of course, with utility. What is this going to ultimately look like? Because I don't know that we have anything quite like this right now.
Our platform is, and our vision is, really trying to connect the digital economy, being able to provide opportunities of surprise and delight for customers so that we can really build on this brand love and promotional value that they see from the loyalty programs that they already participate in. So when we think about working with merchants, we're providing them with greater contact points with their customers. We're providing them with new opportunities to really differentiate how they engage with customers. But also, if you're like me, you've probably got rewards points that you joined a program a while ago and you haven't really been active in it. We're providing those loyalty programs with whole new ways to reactivate and re-engage with their customers and help grow their businesses. And that's why we're so excited by what we're taking public today.
When you joined us last month to discuss Bakkt partnership with Choice Hotels, you also have recently teamed up with Google, Wyndham Rewards, Finestra. Could you take us through some of the ways that you're helping these companies? Because again, you have that B2C component and a B2B component with your company uniquely.
Absolutely. So we have some great partners, as you've just spoken about. So the Choice Hotels Rewards program allows Choice Hotel Rewards holders to be able to redeem for cash and then use that cash to buy crypto, to buy gift cards, or simply to be able to use it anywhere that Apple Pay or Google Pay is accepted. We have a similar routine running with Wyndham Hotels, which we're expecting to launch later this year. We've also got a platform that allows us to embed our capabilities in our partners' ecosystems. And the Finestra opportunity that we announced last week is exactly about this. We're taking crypto to credit unions and community banks across the country through their platform, through their mobile app. Starbucks is another great example of our platform really being embedded into a partner's app. Here you can use Bakkt as a method of payment to reload your store value card with Starbucks using proceeds from a Bitcoin transaction or from cash that you've had from rewards programs. And finally, Quiznos. We've been running a pilot with Quiznos in the Denver area where we're allowing them to use Bitcoin to purchase sandwiches and in doing so get rewarded in Bitcoin. this passive acquisition of Bitcoin as a rewards mechanism. And with Quiznos, every time you buy your sandwich, you get $15 of crypto back to your account.
Speaking of Bitcoin, we know that the probability of a Bitcoin ETF is really essentially upon us, looking more likely now than ever. Does that present a tailwind for your company moving forward?
So remember, our platform services consumers, businesses, and institutions. We already have a well-developed futures market that runs within the Bakkt ecosystem. And our intent is to continue to leverage that capability to provide more people with exposure to the crypto asset beyond just holding the crypto coins themselves. So we see this as great momentum in the industry, and we expect it to provide us with great opportunity moving forward.
Okay, our thanks there to Gavin Michael, CEO of Bakkt, for its big day down here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange.